Hello, Ian with Poker Atlas here, and in this video I'm going to cover banned player functionality. I will show you how to ban a player and cover what that does in our system. I will cover self-exclusion, and finally, I will show you how to unban a player. Starting from the Table Captain main menu, navigate to Player Maintenance and search for the player you would like to ban. Highlight the player and click Edit. Then, use the drop-down menu to ban the player by clicking Player Banned. Searching the player again, you will see that their background is now red, indicating that the player is banned. It is important to note that at this point the player will not be able to be placed on the waitlist, join a game, register for a tournament, or be granted any rewards. If you ban the wrong player by mistake or decide to unban the player, click Edit and use the drop-down menu again to clear the player ban. If at any time a player wishes to self-exclude themselves from gaming at your establishment, use the same steps, but click Self-Banned to indicate that the player has opted to ban themselves. It is important to note that the player background will not update until you search the player again, even though their status has changed. I have now shown you how to ban and unban a player, as well as how to indicate a player is self-excluded. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from Poker Atlas.